Next up, fellow code junkies, welcome to Dumb Coder, and today we are going to solve some leetcode problem. Don't talk too much, let's get into this problem. Okay, now what problem we are going to solve is minimum operations to make a array sum divisible by k. We can know what they are asking by this question, uh, but I will explain this example. And they are giving an array named nums, and they are also giving k value, um, and here is an output. There is an explanation. We don't need that because I'm here to explain this. um, yeah, first, what they are asking for is the total of or sum of this array needed to be divisible by 5. That's all. How they are asking how much operation we needed to do to change the total of this array to divisible by 5k. I know it is confusing, and I will explain it. It's okay. um the total of this value is 19, and we know the k value is 5, and it is not divide that 19. Okay, so we need to decrease the total value until we get a value that can be divisible by 5. Um, like we can get 15, and it will be divisible by 5. So we need to return the operations uh, we are done here. Like from 19 to 15, we are done 4 operations. We are decreasing the value 4 times, and we get 15, and it can be divisible by k. So we need to return the operations. Okay, it is easy. It's a easy problem. So I hope you all understand this. Then I will code this. First, we need to get the total value. Uh, then we need to count the operation. So and initially set 0. I'm using while loop to find this. In the condition, what we are going to put is the total value modular by 5 is not equal to 0. Until it's not equal to 0, we need to run some statement. Okay. Uh, Total value is not equal to 0 until we are going to need, we are going to run some statement. Uh, what statement we are going to run is we need to decrease the total value step by step, one by one. Total value 1. We are decreasing it, and we need to count the operations, how many times it decreased. And also we need to increase the count value. Um, and now we can return count. So what the answer is, yeah, we solve this, and I will explain this briefly. Like in the total value, it will check the modular of k is not equal to 0. Yes, it's not equal to 0, and it will decrease it by one by one, one by one, one by one values, and then If it is come to mm, divisible by k, then it will stop the loop and return the count. Uh, we have another scenario. I need to discuss about that. Here we have variable nums and three values. Um, Here the total value is 8 and the k value is 4. Already the k value is divisible, total value is divisible by k. So we don't need to run any this while loop. We can directly print the count. That's all. That's all is the program. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you understand this video, please like and subscribe, fellow junkies. Bye.